Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Genie Guide. In today's guide video, I will simply show you some of the ways on how you can hopefully fix the overheating issue on your GoPro. So you might have a GoPro 7, in my case it's a GoPro Hero 7 Black. In your case it could be something different, but the most common reasons is that it is actually overheating. So make sure to watch this video till the end because I will show you some of the steps. Now there are a couple of reasons why this could happen. The very first factor is of course the temperature itself. So if you're recording on a very sunny environment, the temperature rising up is actually pretty normal. The other is, let's say, a slow memory card. So what I would also recommend is to simply try changing an SD card array, because if you have a slow memory card, your GoPro will not be able to save footage as faster, and that could be one of the reasons as well. The other could be outdated firmware. So in this video we're going to learn through some of the steps. Now the very first thing you could do is simply update your firmware, which is why I have this app and this mobile right over here on my screen. So in order to update my firmware, first of all I'm going to go ahead and simply turn on my GoPro. Our firmware update is basically going to fix some of the bugs and some of the overheating issues as said by GoPro itself. So as said by the company itself, they said that in the new update they have fixed the overheating issue. So what I will do is, if you already are connected to your app or in your GoPro, it will ask you basically for a camera update. All I will do is simply tap on update camera, accept and continue, and it says transferring update to your camera. You can see it says downloading update. Now don't worry, all of the process after this is automatic. You want to make sure you simply have enough charge on your GoPro in order to go ahead and simply update the firmware to the latest version, and you'll also be able to see your progress at the top. Now if you want to cancel this, that is perfectly fine. After this update is complete, we'll move on basically to the second solution. So first of all, let us wait until the update is actually complete. So as you can see that we have successfully completed the update on our GoPro. Now you can simply go ahead and then tap on the Go 8 button. Now you could go ahead and simply actually turn on your GoPro and do other fancy stuff. Now hopefully this was actually the first solution. If this solution did not work and did not fix the overheating issue, the other likely reason could be that you're recording in too much at maximum resolution. So in that cases, what you could do is simply actually turn on your GoPro and then remove and lower the resolution to a slightly lower size. So I will go ahead and simply actually lower my resolution. So after you have turned on your GoPro, what I will do is I will simply, you can see these settings right over here. So let me just go ahead and show you that a little bit. You'll be able to see the 1080 to 120 L and FPSs and so on right over here. So I will tap on it. You could try actually lowering the resolution to maybe a standard format and also decreasing the FPS setting and so on. That would hopefully fix the issue. The final thing I would simply recommend is to simply change your battery, because sometimes it could also be the battery issue. So power off your GoPro right on this case, and in order to pull off the battery, you can see this rectangular icon. So I will simply press hold and then slide it towards the open direction, just like that. Let me slide it and you can see the lock has been removed. Now you can simply pull this little pulley that you see in order to remove the battery right out of the box, and then go ahead and replace the battery, because sometimes a battery could also be causing the issue. We hope one of these solutions may have worked for you and hopefully got your GoPro's overheating problem to be fixed. These were some of the ways. If it still did not work, then I would recommend you taking it to a nearby repair center in order to get your GoPro fixed. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, simply make sure to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and see you soon in our next video.